Hey, how my chickadees doing? Welcome back to the back 40. It's Juju, and we are counting down to Christmas. Lord have mercy, help us all. I'm not even through wrapping. I hope I get some wrapping done soon. Okay, I got a quick little thing. You know, I like interactive stuff in my journal. So this is a cute little interactive element, and you can use it several ways. It opens up, you know, it has a little square, and then it will open up like this. Okay. Squirrel. All right. Here's our ideal journal, which I need to make a bigger one because I've been pulling everything together trying to put it in here, and it's a little bit too big. Okay, on this side, you will take it and, you know, glue it one side down up against the page there in a diamond shape like that. Okay, then you'll glue the other side so when it opens up, it automatically opens up. And then you can do all kind of mixed media stuff in here. You can just put a little cluster. You can leave it for writing space. You can put a picture in the little squares of things, you know, decoupage, whatever you want to do. And then it closes back up when you turn it, but it's the center of the page. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is to put it on the page like a little tuck spot here on the page. And you can glue it down except for just that little tuck spot side if you want to use it as a tuck spot, but I would just glue it down as a fake out. And then on this one, you know, you can raise it up. You can put a little copy paper there. It can be a journaling spot there. And you can put a little copy spot here and here, and there'll be a little journaling spot. And you wouldn't tell it that it was a journaling spot. Okay, then when you pull it, you've got it glued down. Oops, turned around. Make sure you glue it with the open and facing down. When you glue it down and pull it, it pulls open. You can do all that journaling, have a journaling spot to hide there as well. You can leave it like that and not have the flip ups here, and just glue you a cluster there. So it looks just like the cluster. You know, I'd kind of cat it a little bit where the cluster's end is here, so it has it to grab. And you can grab the cluster and do the pulling, and it'll fade right back down. You can put it on a paper clip and just paper clip it and have it there, and then so it would be on the paper clip, and then you would just pull it and it would open up against the paper clip. Okay, so there's lots of different variations you can do. You can put it on the tags, a whole bunch of stuff. And it's very, 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 very easy to make. Okay, ready? It's boom, boom, bam. Okay, you're going to fold it this way. So, and this is, I'm sorry, this is just a 6x6. If you remember from Dollar Tree, we got making fun of because it was in the wrong packaging. Okay, you just turn it here. So you fold it half like that. Open it up, flip it around, fold it half like this. Open it up. You've got your cross there. Then you just take it, and I like putting points to myself so I know, you know, keep my brain straight. Then you just fold it, and I like to leave a little white border there around it. Fold it, open it, flip it around so it points back to you. Do the same thing. Whoops. Point to point. You're going to line your points up. And then fold it, then open it back up. And then I like to, you know, just do this and crease right there when I get through with everything so I can see that metal, because I can't see it too good. You know, old eyes. Okay, so then you open it up and you bring your points together. The points there. Can you see that? You might see this side better. Okay. So, on your ones that's got the creases in it, you bring your points together. Come on. There we go. All right. Kind of had to work with it, train it to do what you want, make it. Obey me. Okay. And then I take, because you're going to have this little pucker here. Okay, I take it and put my finger here, line it up. Can you see that? Let me zoom down, because this is how you get it to stay. You see right there? I take it and line it up so it'd be even there and down here. Then I take, whoops, okay. After I get it lined up there and there, then I take my thumb and push on the inside of here and make sure, and put my finger down the corner, get here, makes the point, go here. Can you see? Making sure this is lined up. Make sure that's lined up, hold that. Then I just take my thumb, kind of go like that, go like that. And then you go down the middle and voila, that's it. That is it, and you got your square. And then it opens up. Woo-wee, that's like, hello, Sally. Okay. All right. There you go. And then it just folds on its own now after you creased it like that. And that's it. You got your little square. Real simple. Okay, let's do one more. If you're not through, hey, loves, hugs. See you on the next go round. If you need another demonstration, hang tight with me. Let's do one more. Okay, we're going to take this long way. Flip, flip, crease. Turn it around. Flip, flip, crease. Open it up. Turn the point sticking to you. Bring it up. And I don't take it all the way to the top. I leave. See that angle there in case you need that. Make the points. This is the only thing I line up. Kind of does it itself. And then you do that. Place it down. Open it up. Turn it back around. Point points to you. Flip it up. Line your points. Oops. Line your points up. When you line those points up, it automatically goes down to there. See that? How that has that that 90-degree angle there? And then squish it this way. Open it back up. And then I just like to fold it here and here. And put that there. With my, oh, crap. Be careful. Don't use your nails and break it. So, I can see that middle. Where the intersection point right there. And then you take the ones that's got the double fold. It'll have one. Can't see. There you go. You see the double fold there, the two lines where you folded it? Okay, just take those and pull them in like that. And just bring your sides up here. Bring these in. And bring this side in like I'm trying to fold up a taco. Makes it old school wookie thing. Okay. And then, because I cannot do straight lines and all that business, I just take it and line it up. Line up. Take my nail, push out the corner. Hold this, flip it around, hold this line up. Push up that corner. Make sure these line up on this side. And these line up on this side. You get your points lined up. You are good. Everything else falls into place. Oops, out of camera. You get your points lined up here. Line your point up here. So you put it down, line this point up, put it down, line this point up. Section. Hold them down. Take your nail. Make sure you get this corner out. And there you go. Ta-da. Okay. Bye. Hope you enjoy. See you on the next go round.